The reason why Ngizwe and
Yes.
Phakela Phakathi don't get along is because between both of them, one of them took 500 more than the other. Don't listen to these guys, bro.
Which ones?
Phakela and Ngizwe.
Oh,
Fake ass. I'm still holding on to Jacinta.
why?
Kodwa ukhona ukholile macingwane ukhona macingwane ukhona ukholile kuwe no Jacinta no Phakela ukhona ukholile sivale lapho khona sekholile siyavala lapho ngoba ungiphenduli wena so ngizokutshela mina lento engicabangayo mina ngoba wena ufuna umphendule kuwena no Phakela no Jacinta ukhona sekholile ukhona ongayitholile imali kini nobathathu when these niggas allegedly got paid.
Oh, okay.
Right, and signed DNAs.
NDAs.
Allegedly.
Okay, yes.
DNA
never
NDAs.
lies. Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
Oh, NDA is blood.
No. NDA is nda.
Stop interrupting speech.
I'm not
Stop interrupting the man.
I'm trying to help him, dog.
He's
I'm
right.
his sober companion.
We understand where he's getting at.
At the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is that the reason why Ngizwe
Yes.
and Phakela and Phakathi don't get along is because between both of them, one of them took 500 more than the other.
Oh, 500 what? 500 rand.
1,000.
500,000.
Rand.
Oh, okay. It's not a clearing
It's a
error.
bomb.
That's why khona ophakeleke kakhulu. There's one of them who felt
Khona
like, nah,
phakela umphakathi.
I was in the
Khona
streets more
phakela
than you.
umphakathi.
So omunye wasiphakela udlula umphakathi.
Yes. Hey.
So let me close it.
Omunye ufela ngaphakathi.
So, these niggas are fake. Don't listen to these guys, bro.
Which ones?
Phakela and Ngizwe,
Oh,
fake ass. I'm still holding on to Jacinta
why?
because
She didn't get money.
didn't get paid, and she's pissed that why did the president call only the brewers
And not her.
and leave me? So the president does not respect women,
No, he respects her. He fears her. He knew she was incorruptible. That's it.
right? That's good. That's a good take.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good take.
Okay.
So you are trying to say the same thing. I'm trying to say that the only person I'm willing to go with is Jacinta.
Watch
right
the
now.
mic. Watch the mic.
They've got a TV show on DSTV.
That's the way they bought Phakela Phakathi. Is one of
Both
the
of
ways.
them.
Once you're on TV, we control your ass.
And what was the budget for that TV show?
I don't care, but we
The thing
control
is
what you
this,
say.
But the problem is this, is that when you don't understand these things,
Yeah.
sometimes you get blind copies in Canal Plus emails. And then you see the whole budget for each and every show. You see that they want 8 million for a Ricky Rick documentary. You see they've got that 8 million for Phakela and Thing Jake.
8 million.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then when they Phakela it 4 and they do a reality show, they have to do it.
So what I'm trying to say is that the
In the
biggest
negotiation, right, Ngizwe will get more because he's a more seasoned broadcaster.
right. So what I'm trying to say is
So if Phakela is now mad that Ngizwe got more, then, you know,
so
he shouldn't bite off more than he can
so
chew.
listen. What I'm trying to say is that to close this because it's not their show. Like
Yeah.
we're making people famous on Moja Live now.
Mm.
What I'm trying to say is that the minute Phakela and Phakathi signed a contract with Moja Live to have a show with them,
No, it wasn't Moja Love,
What
it's
is it?
Mzansi.
Mzansi,
It's bigger than
the
that.
minute he signed that contract to have a show with them, he sold his soul to the devil.
To who?
Ooh.
To,
The devil.
to Canal Plus.
To the devil.
Mm.
Right? So he cannot go out and march and insult foreign nationals and do what.
Otherwise, he's going to lose his.
You get what I'm saying?
Reality
He's
show.
back. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
So he's not Phakela and Phakathi, it's Suzela and Phakathi.
Mm.
Right? So I hate fake niggas, bro.
Yeah.
You see, when you meet Nota, you know you met Nota, you're gonna get the same energy.
Danko.
Right?
Real
If
nigga.
I meet you,
Yeah.
you're gonna get the same energy. Even if
Yeah.
you're trying to threaten me, you'll be like, but Joe, I go to sharp, but I sharp.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? If you meet me, you're gonna get the same nigga, bro.
What
The
happens if
same-
you meet Pops?
The puss will pop.
I'm talking about your father, nigga. I thought you'd be happy. Oh, daddy.
Puss will
You
pop.
know, mommy left me.
The puss will pop. Anyway, man, that's it, dog. Like honestly.
Okay, let me be sensitive.
Like,
Yeah.
honestly, I
Yeah.
just don't like fake niggas, bro. That's why I went to Pink Nations because I'm like, dog, what's much? Samatsha wahola wathi angeke simatshe usuku lonke. Uyangibuza ukuthi umashile ngithi ngimashile efonini. Na khona la ubukela khona ne?
Ya.
Uyangizwa ne?
Ayibhalansile nje
Ngibukela mina.
Ngeke ubisa
Into ebukela ngizwe, into ebukela ngizwe.
Ngiyayitoji.
Into ebukela kuyena, yes, into ebukela kuyena. Uyi-role model yakho ngizwe.
Yongena naye.
Uyi-role model yakho.
Hayi wena.
Politically yes.
Ya, ngobani?
Ngoba ungizwe engimaziyo mina ne?
Ya.
Ungizwe engimaziyo mina.
Ya.
Wekwazi ukutshela ukuthi yabo le uDoctor.
Futhi utshwala ngiyabuthanda ngokuthi ebuyela likhipha iqhina embizeni. Yabona liphumile iqhina embizeni manje.
Kuphi? Ushintshe
Into
kanjani?
nomence kwayo manje kuyavela manje ukuthi ihlobisile.
Uyazi nomyeka ungizwe qede ngisazomlinda.
Umhlobisi.
Uyazi zokulinda and sikamnandi sikwakho sokulinda.
Yes, kumnandi sikwakho.
Ayinashoka yi.
Bottom.
Uyi-role model yami uzongiphendula.
Hayi ngeke mina ngincengile mina.
Akunandawo
Mina
ngicela kodwa wangijutha.
Ufuna ungizonda ngizonde
So ungenza islima uthi asimathe ngamatha mina.
Wamatsha wena.
Umathe uthi baseke ukumatha nami ngayeka.
Awukwazi umasha wena.
Hey mina ngaze ngikhankase mina ngikhankasela ukuthandwa. Unawe uthi umlandeli wami ngizwa kuyo uyangifunza nje. Uyangifunza. Uyangifunza futhi I'm not excited. Hawu ngempela uyangifollowa ngempela. Hawu buti ithina account yakho ngufollow back. Phela hey kunomhlaba sikolo nika. Ngiyabonga. Uyapress ama likes kodwa. Hey fusake man. Hey. Hawu. Isho ngasimvi yakho manje. Uthi lembu. Ishe ngaphansi. Ishe ngaphezulu. Ishe ngaphansi. Ishe ngaphezulu. Awudakiwe.
Kodwa ukhona uholile macingwane ukhona. Macingwane ukhona uholile. Kuwe noJacinta noPhakela ukhona uholile sivale lapho. Khona seholile siyavala lapho ngoba ungiphenduli wena. So ngizokutshela mina lento engicabangayo mina ngoba wena ufuna umphendule. Kuwena noPhakela noJacinta ukhona seholile ukhona ongayitholile imali kini nobathathu. It's money power and money position and problems. That's it.
Uba usuthola imali umucabanga wena. Uba usuthola imali.
Uba usuthola imali?
Ngokucabanga kwakho.
No. uRamaphosa ucabanga njengomlungu. Ngitshele mina angasangiphenduli. Ngizokutshela ukuthi uRamaphosa lento elithe uRamaphosa ngangiyitshela umfazi wami ngakutshela ukuthi ngamtshela ukuthi uRamaphosa uzethile.
Umfazi ogandile uMawusha. Sibindi kodwa lesinaso manje basifazana.
Back.
Sibindi naso ngithanda
shadile wena.
Mina.
Kuphe eHome First no.
What?
Washaya step.
Phela lo muntu owatholakala.
What?
Oqala ugibela ibhasikele no2.
Umfazi omuhle nengane futhi.
Ngeke
Lalalani nina angeke ningijude nina ngenisabe nina mina ngizodila nani yabo manje nifike ekugcineni manje.
Mina ngiphendulanga ukuthi mina inkinga ngiphendulanga indaba zokudayisa umzimba.
Inkinga nina nimphendulanga nina
No,
wena ufike ungizwe
no,
wena ufike
ungibuze yona. Ayikho umuntu ongibuze yona. Mi alright buza mina ke ngizokuphendula nawe mase.
Bizela khona vele kuba kuheme wena sithe
wena ke mawucabanga.
Sibonge nezinto sitshene zona ngonotha yiko zisho
angitshela ngafolo
lutho yonke into ngisho ngizwe ngawe kodwa hawu bona mina ngifihli mina hawu wathi wena uyakinyanyisa
uyangivumela ngikubuze mina
jo
angeke
usho lanto unotho
angeke ube biased
ba
wena angeke ube biased
Hawu kanjani no mfethu
manje ubuza umbuzo umphendula kahle
nawe mina ngibuza nawe uzomphendula kahle
lalela ke
nawe nawe alright musa vele umemeza alright khuluma kahle
ngibuza ukuthi beke ngaphepha umuntu wesilisa ngizokutshela ukuthi yebo noma cha ngizokuphendula
khuluma mfethu ngibuza bese nami ngiyakubuza
mina ngizokutshela mina into ozongibuza ngizokuphendula
ngibuza phela
lalela bethu sihamba sonke ngolayini sonke
hayi ngikho ku-queue mina ungangifaki ku-queue mina ngiholi
ku-right awubheka ifoni sihamba sonke ngolayini sinawe uthe wena
uzoyithanda kodwa le podcast manje
uthe wena sewaqosha amakwerekwere
uzoyibona ushi
le sinina sewaqosha amakwerekwere asawaqosha
nawe ubuphakathi
sesabaqosha labantu la sabaqosha
hayi bafethu hayi isona lesi hayi manje kwenziwe njalo bafethu ikomiti alihlangana decide engathi konakele
Uphendula ngifuna ukuphuma kule ndaba ungiphendule.
i-meeting ayibani
Hawu, ayikho into oyibuza uthe siyamasha sonke. So mina ngizini mafethu.
ukuthi abafana
So nawo samachi manje.
Mina ngisamashi.
Awusala ndaba.
Mina bengishutha mina.
So bahamba or abahamba
umahosha
Oba.
according to you.
Bahamba noma bahambi. Mina ngaze ngisho mina bengishuthela ngipostela ne. Ngimsebenzi wami lo bengwenza.
Asibuyelele kumaskandi.
Ayikho into oyibuza mfethu.
hayi umuntu uhamba ubala izinto zeyifebe lezi ethu piano sikhuluma ngomculo sikhuluma
Yasebenza phela mina nengane mina. Ayeloko ngicela istrate zase Hillbrook mina ngithi. Ngimache phone. I was monitoring on the phone.
Oh, lovely.
Which street you guys had?
With the likes you're marching.
So I'm also marching.
So you can warn your
With the
people. You can
retweets,
warn
the
your
reposts.
employees.
I get you.
You get
I'm with you, my dog.
So we don't have to march the same way.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah, greetings guys, welcome to Mzansi Daily Affairs. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. And I would say these are extremely serious claims because Phakelo Mthakathi is, especially him, I'm mentioning him because he is the biggest leader. You see, I don't know about Kizum Mchunu. He also was had an effect and whatnot, but he's not a leader like Phakelo Mthakathi was. So, but then my point here is that South Africa is looking up to this thing, March and March is looking up, and for once in history's books, this guy can go down in the history's books as one of the greatest leaders because he led, millions of people, and to hear something like this would see. Phakelo Mthakathi might have taken a bribe and whatnot, as this guy here says, Fiso. It's something that's very sensitive and can hurt a lot of people who are looking up in fixing our beautiful country, South Africa. But nonetheless, guys, leave us a comment down there in the comment section and let us have a conversation. Tell me what you really think about this situation. Thank you.